Hello everyone, welcome back to Cyberhunk, and in this video we are going to take a look at how we are able to install Debian or Ubuntu in our Android device without rooting your device. So we are here using the app called Userland. You could get this app from the Play Store for free. It still seems unreleased, but it's perfectly working in my device without any problem. So it's working in a typical C root environment. So it's allocating your system resources for running our Debian. You don't need to root your device for that. So that's what I meant. You don't need root access. So you're good to go without root access. Let's go ahead and check the settings. And in the settings you can see the payload debugging mode. If you need the the debugging logs, you could check this box here, but I don't need that debugging logs, so I'm good to go. And let's tap on the plus sign there for creating a new session, which will help you to set up the image for our either Ubuntu or Debian. So let's give a session name for here for our Debian. Since I'm using Debian here, I'm about to create a new file system, and I'm using, as I already mentioned, I'm using Debian here since it's very lightweight distro. Let's say Debian FSD for instance. Okay, so my file system name is Debian-FSD, and from here you could choose either Ubuntu or Debian. As I already mentioned, Debian is a bit more light. It's a lightweight distro than Ubuntu, I think. So I'm here using Debian, but you could use Ubuntu. That's your personal choice, and hit save at the top. And if you need the GUI version of Debian, you could choose this bVNC from here, and you need this bVNC app from the Play Store. It's free. You could download this bVNC app from the Play Store, but here I'm using SSH itself, because VNC, if you're about to install VNC, it would allocate a bit more size in your storage. That's your personal choice. If you need the GUI, you can choose VNC, but I'm good with my SSH itself, and everything is down here. And now we are good to go and install everything. So once you create the session, please note, please turn on your network, either Wi-Fi or your mobile network, then tap on that session. So it is going to download an 80 megabytes file from the server. Will not take too much time. I already downloaded everything. I just tried this app before, and I was checking how utilities were already downloaded in my device. So I don't need to download those files again. It's only going to use the cached files in my local storage. So one thing to note down is that the default password for your session will be Userland. You can see here a smaller case. So note down the password. Then one more thing is that if you're using SSH for our Userland, the default client will be this Connectbot. So the Connectbot is the default SSH client, so you have to install Connectbot in order for continuing with the SSH session with the Userland. So install both this Userland and Connectbot app. There's nothing to do in this Connectbot app. Once the installation and the setup completes in the Userland, it will automatically open up the Connectbot and connect everything for you. You don't need to specify either the host or the port or anything. So once the configuration is done in the Userland, it will automatically open. If you install Connectbot, it will automatically open the Connectbot app, and it will automatically connect to your local Debian server. So you could use our traditional Debian commands, apt install package and apt upgrade, but one word of caution is that you need to specify sudo before installing or upgrading the package. What I meant by that is you should use sudo apt install package or sudo apt upgrade or something. You sudo at the beginning of the command. So I'll demonstrate how that works in a minute. Let this complete. I think it's almost about to complete. Let's wait. Sessions. You can go ahead and tap on this plus sign and you can create the Ubuntu and then the Debian. You can have both at one time, and you can switch between those to Ubuntu and Debian. So let's hit yes and connect to our SSH session, and then the default password for our SSH session, as I already mentioned, it's Userland in small case, USERLAND. Okay, let's hit OK, and there you go, we are in our Debian. So in order for upgrading files, I already upgraded everything. Sudo apt upgrade is the command. You can increase the font size by holding a key in Connectbot. Sudo apt upgrade for upgrading the files, and sudo apt install any package name for packaging installing any package. So I will show you that. The process seems a bit slower in my almost complete. I need to free up those things. Sudo has then apt install any package name for let's say we are installing a nano. So in nano, and it is basically going to download that package if I hit yes here. So this is how it works, and as I already mentioned, you are good to go and select Ubuntu, and you can install Ubuntu and Debian at the same time, and you can switch between those. So that's how it works. This is how you can install Debian or Ubuntu in our Android device without rooting. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do like this video, please share it with your friends and appreciate this video by giving a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, Cyberhunk, subscribe to this channel for further updates, and thank you all for watching.